Hi, my name is Courtney and I'm a professional esthetician. I get to work with people every day on finding and learning how to use the best products that are in the skincare industry. And I'm really excited to talk to you today about one of the best products to hydrate your skin, the TeMana Noni Brightening Moisturizer. This is my friend Jess. She's here with us today to help demonstrate how to properly apply and moisturize the skin. Now, the last step in our regimen was applying the serum, and Jess has already applied it. You can see how her face is glowing, it's hydrated, and it's ready for the moisturizer. The reason why the moisturizer comes after the serum is because it's a little bit heavier. This moisturizer contains shea butter, so it's got that really luxurious feel in it, but it also protects the skin from releasing any of the serum that's already penetrated inside of the skin. It's acting as a physical barrier. It keeps the serum in place inside of your pores where we want it, where it belongs, and it keeps the environmental toxins like dirt or makeup, sweat, pollution out of your skin where it also belongs. It keeps all of the free radicals out of your skin because we do not want them to penetrate inside of the skin. This TeMana moisturizer is amazing because it not only contains shea butter, which is super hydrating, but it contains other humectants that help draw even more moisture to the skin. It also contains vitamin E, which is a natural antioxidant, which can help heal any damage that's occurred, and it can help prevent the skin from any further damage that you may receive from the environment, like from the sun, which is awesome because it's moisturizing and protecting the skin at the same time. And the reason it's able to do that is by using and utilizing the ingredient noni. Now, your skin looks beautiful. You're ready to use the moisturizer. You're ready to apply it. And to apply the moisturizer, we're going to put probably about 3 to 4 pumps on your fingertips. You can apply the moisturizer similar to how we applied the cleanser, where you can rub your fingertips together. It's not going to absorb directly into your fingertips because it's a little bit heavier and thicker, and you're going to want to moisturize on your face using upwards motions. Really focus on the areas that need hydration and brightening. Noni is amazing because it brightens the skin. It creates radiating, beautiful, and illuminated skin. So you're going to focus on areas that, especially the neck, needs a lot of moisture. That's where a lot of premature aging or fine lines and wrinkles start to occur even from an early age. So protecting your skin early on is really going to benefit you.
How is it for the under eye? That as well?
Under the eye is amazing. In fact, after I apply the moisturizer to my face, my neck, and my décolleté, I like to go back with a little bit more and apply it to places like around my nose or maybe underneath my eyes. Just be really careful with the skin. Sorry, you can go ahead and use that.
I'll just take that from you. Okay.
Be careful with the skin that's underneath your eyes just because it is a little bit more fragile, but that's a really good place that your body needs a lot of moisture and hydration. You don't want that tired look. You want the noni to brighten the dark circles underneath your eyes, and you want the noni to hydrate the dark circles underneath your eyes. A lack of hydration can cause a ton of skin problems, like it can weaken the skin cells and create even more damage. So having moisture on your face throughout the entire day and throughout the entire night is really going to help your skin cells to be healthy and hold all the nutrients that they need to throughout the rest of the day. Now, how does your skin feel after applying the moisturizer?
It feels really great. It's like you said, it's a little bit heavier than the serum, but it's not too heavy. So it very easily just smooths over my face, and now it's very light on there still. So it's not feeling weighed down, but very hydrating.
I love it too because it helps to, it's just very natural the way that you put it on after the serum. It really helps to lock everything into place, and I love that. Now, let's apply a little bit more moisturizer to your neck so I can show you a little trick of you swiping upwards all the way underneath the chin on your neck, and on your chest, you're going to want to go outwards.
Okay.
So it might feel a little funny at first, but you get to it exactly like that. Again, we don't want gravity to pull our skin down. And you've probably seen skin that's droopy or really wrinkly on your neck or your chest area. That's why we're always wanting to move upwards with the application of our products. We want to go against gravity. How does your neck and décolleté feel?
They feel really good because so many times you neglect those areas. You're so focused on the face. So this is really nice for the skin.
It makes sense that we're treating your neck and décolleté as well, because oftentimes, I mean, even look at what we're both wearing. Our neck and chest are exposed to the sun, and they can have sunspots or age spots or wrinkles, and a lot of people can get blackheads or acne in those areas as well. And so it's equally as important to treat that area just as it is your face. If you have any questions or you would like to purchase the TeMana moisturizer, please reach out to the person who shared this video with you. They can answer any questions you may have and can help you with purchasing it. You may also send any questions to our Facebook page. Lastly, feel free to go to www.morinda.com to purchase the TeMana Noni Brightening Moisturizer today. Thanks so much for being here, and I'm really excited for you to begin moisturizing your face with this TeMana product. It's fabulous. And thanks, Jess, for being here. You're wonderful to have around.
Oh, thank you, and thank you so much for having me.